The Great Barrier Reef, stretching over 1,250 miles along the northeastern coast of Australia, this colossal reef system is a sight to behold. Imagine a vibrant underwater world teeming with life. That's exactly what the Great Barrier Reef is all about. It's not just one big reef, but a complex network of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 fringing reefs. Some are barely visible at low tide, while others have their own little islands of coral sand called cays. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact: the Great Barrier Reef is often called the largest structure built by living creatures. But that's not entirely accurate. You see, the reef is actually formed from the skeletons and waste of tiny marine organisms over millions of years. It's like a massive underwater city, with coral polyps and algae as the architects. Speaking of architects, did you know that European exploration of the reef began with a bit of a mishap? Back in 1770, the British explorer Captain James Cook accidentally ran his ship aground on the reef. But that kick-started the process of charting channels and passages through this incredible maze. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we've had some groundbreaking expeditions and studies on the reef. The Great Barrier Reef expedition of 1928-29 was a game-changer, shedding light on coral physiology and ecology. And even today, scientists are hard at work in modern laboratories, unraveling the secrets of this underwater wonderland. But what makes the Great Barrier Reef so special? Well, for starters, it's located in the perfect spot. The warm waters of the southwestern Pacific Ocean provide the ideal conditions for corals to thrive. In fact, the water temperature rarely drops below a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius. It's like a tropical paradise for marine life. And speaking of marine life, the Great Barrier Reef is an absolute treasure trove. We're talking about over 450 species of hard coral, countless anemones, sponges, worms, and crustaceans. Plus, more than 1,500 species of fish call this place home. From colorful wrasses and damselfish to majestic rays and sharks, it's an underwater kaleidoscope. But it's not just about the fish. The reef is also a haven for 6 of the 7 known species of sea turtles. Imagine swimming alongside these gentle giants. And let's not forget the sea snakes and the diverse array of birds that make the reef their home. Of course, not all creatures on the reef are friendly. Take the crown-of-thorns starfish, for example. This spiky troublemaker has a reputation for munching on living coral, leaving behind a trail of destruction. It's like the reef's very own supervillain. But despite the challenges, the Great Barrier Reef remains a source of wonder and fascination. Vibrant red algae create a stunning rim around the reef, while green algae like holly meta flourish in every nook and cranny. And even though the plant life above the surface is limited, the cays are dotted with intriguing mangrove varieties. Now, here's the thing: the Great Barrier Reef isn't just a pretty face. It's a crucial ecosystem that needs our help. Climate change, coral bleaching, and invasive species like the crown-of-thorns starfish have taken a toll on the reef's health. In fact, some areas have seen a staggering 50% decline in coral coverage between 1985 and 2012. But there's hope. Scientists, conservationists, and even tourists are coming together to protect and preserve this natural wonder. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, established in 1975, plays a vital role in supervising and safeguarding the reef. It's a reminder that we all have a part to play in ensuring the survival of this incredible ecosystem. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Planetic for more fascinating insights into the incredible world we live in.